Welcome back, everyone.
Hey!
We're so excited to share with you today our guest bedroom transformation to make it festive for the holiday season. We also, at the end of this video, will have a few tips on how to make your guests feel extra special.
Oh yeah.
So we're so excited to share this with you, everyone.
Yeah!
Woo! Poor Nalo. Oh, now we're gonna have to get him off the bed to change it.
No, you gotta go, buddy. I think you and I should flee.
No.
Come here now, go. Yeah, I can go. Goodbye.
Nope.
Bye, guys. Bye. Oh, guys, I don't want this bed changed. I like the room the way it is. Bah humbug!
All right,
Bah
gentlemen.
humbug!
Gentlemen.
All right.
Come on, Oz. Hold it down. Comes to sleep and the thing just whap right in the middle of it, like it's hitting the head with a wreath. Welcome in.
Festive wreath.
Helpful tip, just grab that little corner and then shove it down, hold it, and then pull tightly. Alrighty, maybe have a flat sheet, please. Yes. Great. Jared, don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything you're gonna regret. Jared,
Make good choices.
make good choices in life, buddy. Okay, good choice. Good life choice.
Thank
Actually,
you.
wait, this is okay.
Alright,
Corner.
when do we got more peanut butter pretzels?
Now, a tip for if you're by yourself,
Yes.
what you would
Pretty
want
amazing.
to do is actually flip the. Ooh, these are snaps. This is great.
Snaps are good.
Easy. Again, also, this has been sitting for days. I would typically wash this before, but for this video's purpose,
It is a lovely fabric, good texture.
so again, if you were by,
I'm just gonna take. Come on,
Bye,
Oz.
boys.
We're gonna take a quick nap. Come on, Oz. Yep, there you go. Good job, buddy.
Okay. And next
Wow,
step,
His breath is like almost worse than mine.
fold the boys into the bed
No! No, stop the
and beat them with pillows.
no, don't hurt the dog.
No, don't hurt the
No,
dog.
no.
Wow.
It's Jared.
All right.
I was like, I get to still be up here.
Good boy.
Oh,
Stay.
No.
All right,
No.
now, okay, let's go. Come on,
Go
come on.
get some pretzels.
Come on, buddy boy.
Alright, now that needs a treat.
Yeah.
Good boy.
All right. Okay, so you're upside down, backwards, inside out. So then you would take the tip.
It's all
of
about
your
the
duvet,
corners.
All about the corners. Line your corners up. Some duvet covers actually have string, so then you would match up the string and then tie it to the cover.
These don't.
These don't.
So you just match it to the corner.
Yep. And then you take your hand, go all the way back up, work your way through to the corner. That's matched up. Grab hold,
Grab and pull back. And woo!
voila!
Pretty duvet.
That was like a magic trick.
So now,
It's
Jared,
magic.
you know how to do these too. So now we're gonna take.
Santa approved.
Throw it in the hat.
Time to rejoice, everybody.
Finishing touches to your bed. Here we go. Great, and we're just gonna add textures and color. A wool blanket and another knit blanket. And your guest is ready for a comfy, cozy holiday stay.
Now fam, since your room is festivized and ready to receive friends and family this holiday season, we have 3 tips, that was 6, 3 tips for,
This is 9.
3 tips for making your guests feel at home. First tip is make sure they are hydrated. You definitely want to provide water. Make sure
You don't want
they have-
dehydrated.
You
Yep,
don't
just-
want people dehydrated.
Yeah, so definitely give them a little glass of water by their
A little
bedside.
splash.
Yeah, just like
Especially when you're
Thank you,
thirsty. I'm sorry! Don't hurt me. Jenny made me do it.
that. All right, back.
You look thirsty.
No,
No.
Hitting the
back
crossfire.
to it.
Jenny, you look dry. Hydrated
You know what,
now.
Janna?
I felt like I had moisture.
Guys, no, 2.
You said to hydrate the guest, so I hydrated the guest.
Guys, all right.
Hydration
Tip
station.
2. Tip 2.
Oh.
Tip 2.
Such a mug.
All right. Yes, this is the favorite mug. All right, tip 2, everyone. All right, make sure everyone, guys,
Sorry.
make sure your guests are warm or they are cool.
Ooh.
So make sure that you provide extra blankets, a fan maybe,
They're overheating.
a heater maybe. So yeah, just make sure that they can kind of
It's
control
important.
how
See, I need that heater.
warm or hot they
It's
are.
cold.
And snackage, I think, right?
Oh yeah, so wait, that's
Oh.
part of making your guests
The water
feel
is.
extra special. Number
Aw.
3, make your guests feel extra special.
Would you do that for me?
Yeah, if they have a favorite snack, maybe put out their favorite snack.
Oh!
We can actually do it also. We can give them a little candy cane because it's festive.
Or bunnies. Little.
Oh, favorite snack. Make sure you can lay out some guest towels, possibly.
And guest
robe
robe with
a
face
little-
mask, spa
a
day.
little
Sure.
eye mask.
Sure.
So yeah, just extra little tips to make your guests feel at home this holiday season.
I mean, you want them to feel at home and stuff, but I mean, if we got bunnies, really, what else do you need? I can sleep on the floor. Give me some of these. Well, Bridget, not all agrees, right? He agrees.
Anyway,
Yeah, those were our 3
thanks
tips,
for
fam.
joining us. If you feel like this segment has hooked you in, please subscribe. See you soon. See you next time.
I'm gonna eat this thing. This is mine, definitely. Why?
You got
No!
Hang on. Okay.
Woo!
Yeah, Christmas time. All right, since we have festivized our bedroom
Ooh, good
here.
word. Festivized. Sounds like a disease that's incurable.
Technically,
Yes!
I did say that.
You did.
Really? So you
We
came
like
up
to
with the
we like to steal it from
That
each other.
great
You know,
word.
that's why.
It's called sharing. And
Sharing is caring.
Yep.
So we're here to share 3 tips on how to make your family and friends feel extra special this holiday season.
Good idea.
So, tip 1,
Uh-oh.
make guests feel extra special by making sure they stay hydrated.
Ooh,
Definitely want to
hydration.
provide
Hydration is
water.
key.
Do you want to?
Dehydrated guests.
Yeah, just in case they don't bring their own water bottle.
Yep, like you can have this just chilling in the room.
Yep, just make
Little bit.
sure.
You can drink it. You
Yeah.
can dispose of it. You can. I would suggest drinking it. Again,
Like
like
Janna.
tasty water. You could just, go like, oh my goodness, are you okay? Oh wow. I'm sorry, Jen. Are you alright?
You're
What
supposed to
happened?
drink it.
Jen! Oh, Jen! I'm sorry, you look dry. You keep your guests from being parched, and that's what I provided.
All right,
No parchment.
Enough with the water. Enough with the water. Tip 2.
Don't do that to a guest.
Tip 2.
This cup is
adorable
really-
You guys look
little-
dehydrated.
Great.
You guys been
It's
working
little
hard
mug.
all day on this room.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hang on. I'm trying to get this out of my turtleneck.
I was helping. You were dehydrated.
Uh-huh.
I didn't
Yeah.
want you to pass out from dehydration.
Alrighty. Just give me a minute. Make
Good.
sure, all right, make sure, tip two, make sure, not
One
one.
of those.
Tip two, make sure your guests are either warm or cold. Make sure they can kind of control the thermostat.
If they're cold, you turn on the fan and spritz them with water.
You can provide a fan or a heater.
If they're warm.
Yeah, toast them even more. I'm very hospitable.
Alrighty, and our third and our final tip
And my favorite.
to make guests feel a little extra special this holiday season. So ways to make our guests feel extra special: provide them with snacks,
Gummy bunnies.
favorite snacks.
If you know what their favorite
Exactly.
is.
Maybe a couple candy canes on the pillow. Provide guest towels if you have an extra guest robe.
Why?
And a
Also,
little eye
maybe
mask.
a little sleeping eye mask.
Why?
Make our guests feel extra special this holiday season.
Listen, as long as I have gummy bunnies,
Guest
I'm feeling
robes,
like a
guest robes, and
Spa
possibly
mask.
a spa mask.
Slippers if you have them.
Right there. Spa mask.
They're gone.
Mm-hmm.
I ate them from the last take. Now there's nothing left. Very exciting.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed these tips, everyone.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
Wait.
We hope you enjoyed these tips, everyone.
Awkward pause.
Thank you.
See you
You
next
actually read my
time.
brain. Like, I'm like, don't do anything stupid. Just let me like have a second. So
Give
that
me
I
a
can
moment,
cut it
Jared.
if I have to edit it. You did it. Great job, guys.
Oh, wow,
That's a
it
wrap.
wasn't recording. It was recording.
That's
The
for
violence.
spilling water on you.
Violence out! The
Now I'm
violence.
cold and like, come on, I don't want to be like.
I'm sorry. You okay, Janna? It's okay. Oh, you were dehydrated. You just...
Whoa.
Ah!
You heard the whack on that one.
You deserved it.
Ow.
Broke my candy cane, you jerk.